George Voinovich Park in downtown Cleveland, Ohio. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, 2024. It's about 5:30 p.m. and you can see the hail starting to hit us, but we're here trying to quickly feature the USS Cleveland Legacy Foundation's Lone Sailor Monument. The Lone Sailor, they just had their launch of it the other day. It was installed here at one of the quadrants or corners of George Voinovich Park. And that hail is really coming down. You can see it gathering, but yeah, this is supposed to be one, I read online, there's either it's one of 17 or 18 of these that are installed. I don't know if it's within the country or worldwide. But it's a nice dedication here at George Voinovich Park. You've got the William G. Mather ship in the background. For now, you've got Cleveland Browns Stadium, Huntington Bank Field, and then we're right alongside Lake Erie. That's the direction the hail's coming from, so I'm trying to keep my back to it. That hail is as hard as I've ever felt hail. You also have a few dedication things here, some appreciation of people who may have contributed to it, some people who provided service, other contributors, and then over here some more of the monuments. Let me try to see if I can get my umbrella up here. I didn't think I was going to need it. I just finished a live stream video actually. Of course the damage will probably be done by the time I get the umbrella up. But yeah, here's some more dedication for the Lone Sailor. The Lone Sailor represents the men and women who have served or are serving or will serve in the sea services of the United States of America. He is called the Lone Sailor, yet he is hardly ever alone. He is about 25 years old, a senior second-class petty officer who is fast becoming a seagoing veteran. He has done it all, fired weapons in war, provided humanitarian assistance in faraway lands, been attacked by the enemy, spent countless months away from loved ones, and defended our freedom, and so forth. And some more recognition. And then it says, for more than 2 centuries, the city of Cleveland and the United States Navy have shared a rich history. September 10th, 1813 to 70 miles west of this point, Commodore Oliver Hazard Perry defeated a British Royal Navy squadron in the Battle of Lake Erie, a turning point in the War of 1812. In the Civil War, hundreds of men from Cuyahoga County served in the U.S. Navy, and those who gave their lives in defense of the Union are memorialized less than a mile away in the Soldiers and Sailors Monument. That's at Public Square. And it goes on speaking to why Cleveland is home to one of these monuments. And it has on the back of it 2024, signifying when the monument was installed. Yeah, it was just a few days ago that it officially came to fruition. Got also some nighttime lighting that highlights the Lone Sailor. So if you enjoyed this highlight of a Lone Sailor at George Voinovich Park with the beautiful backdrop of downtown Cleveland, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you next time. You also have the marking on the ground talking about the Lone Sailor Plaza.